Hello, friends. Life is full of colors, and the best way you can express your feelings and expressions to someone or the whole world is through paintings.
Friends, for the next 5 to 6 minutes, I guarantee you a treat for your eyes. What you're going to see, you're not only going to see, but you're going to learn how to paint because I am bringing you a complete demonstration of all these paintings through my painting tutorial. Just hold on for a moment, take a deep breath, and let's start. Friends, this is not all. I'm going to add many more paintings, and you just have to pay a one time fee for this whole course. And that means for the new paintings, you don't have to pay anything more. Friends, just imagine having all these paintings in your drawing room or in your bedroom and seeing them daily and appreciating yourselves. Friends, I'm going to make it easy for you. Please go through all the details of my painting tutorial. I'm just going to show it to you. If you just access the link, this link through your mobile, this is what you're going to see. Friends, this link is provided in the description also. Just like we studied in school, we start with some theory and then move on to practicals. So I have provided you some theory on various important topics which we need to take care before we start our painting course. We also need to exercise our hands in doing some drawing so that we are able to portray the right outline of the picture, at least in the canvas, so that we can work further and do the rest of the painting. I'll also be demonstrating my small studio where I do all my paintings. You're going to check out all the brushes which I use and the colors which I use. And I'll also be starting with introducing some of the colors and the various ways I use them. All that is present in this tutorial, friends. So definitely this is going to be a great learning experience, and I have put it for a very small cost to start with. The cost which I have provided is not going to be the same. It is going to change uh, later on. So why don't you take up this opportunity, buy this course, and start painting and do wonderful paintings like the ones I have showed, and more to come in the future. So my friends can also be a great gift to your relatives, your children, or your friends who have the passion of painting but never have got the opportunity to learn from someone. And this is available online, so one can just sit at home or at any place, at any comfortable place, just start connect to the internet and start learning at their will and wish, at the comfortable time at home or any place. So friends, what better way to learn and take your own time, pause whenever needed, and start again and take off from where you stop. I request you to go through this link, all the details given in the link in the web page, and finally click the next button to go for the payment. Once you make the payment, you will receive the link. If you are outside India, I do have a PayPal link for you to make the payment, and you may contact me through my email ID uh, for the cost and other details. Thank you very much, friends. Happy painting.
Believe me, once you go through all this process, you learn what are the colors and how I apply them, seeing it in the canvas on the live demonstrations of hours of painting. I'm sure you will definitely be able to implement all these tools and techniques and tips and tricks I'm using and doing it live for you. And it will definitely help you make a great painting artist. On top of that, If you are interested to do it in chart paper, if not on canvas, you can always go ahead and practice it on a chart paper first and then buy the canvas, because the canvas materials are a little bit costly. It will be an immense learning for you, my friends, if you are starting to learn painting or you have it as a hobby, you don't have the time. It will be a great reference for you, and I believe me, it is going to stay for lifelong. We buy so many items which expire, including our laptops, computers. But this thing, my friend, it will last till the last day of our life. If you have the hobby of painting, if you love colors, then go for it.